Okay, bear with me. I'm making this with my iPhone. So I wanted to upload a video of the cat patter pillow, 1967. Probably can't read that real well. I don't usually go after these because in 20 years, every time I buy one, the record is scratched. So this is the first one I've ever got that wasn't.
Oh, that's the cat's meow. No one hasn't put out one, pretty please. No one hasn't put out one, pretty please.
If it does repeat, as I've told you in my other videos, kind of stop it. Don't pull on it. Don't be hard because you got to remember the plastic inside here is 50 years old plus. Just pull it back out.
I think I'll get easy when I'm hungry. Oh, that's the cat's meow. No one hasn't put out one, pretty please.
Yeah.
I think I got lost it. I get off me nuts, meow.
Now you got to remember the needle sits on top of the string, so it falls wherever it is. So it does repeat phrases. So it may take you a while to hear all the phrases. But I thought he was really cute, he or she. Actually, I'm not sure. But I thought he was cute and I wanted to share it with you. Does have a few little stains on it. Still has a nice tail. Nice little detail on the tails. See the nice little ladybug. See the stain. So anyway, this is one of the cat's platter pillows that I restored. So I just wanted you to enjoy and hear it and experience it. You can always check out all my toys on eBay.